of second law, it is going to be 2 raised to power n, where n is the number of gametes. And in the average inheritance, the n here is going to be 4. And that's the reason why the result of the average inheritance is always 2 raised to power 4, which is 16, which is 2 raised to power 15. So that's 16. So this is what we are now going to combine to be able to get our second filial generation results. Our second filial generation result. This is the verification of Mendel's law. Just like I said, we are crossing round and we are crossing tall round plants. We are crossing it with a short wrinkle plant. This is going to be tall, which is going to be dominant over shortness. So that's why the genotype is capital letter T, capital letter T, capital letter R with capital letter R. So when we now cross them together, we are going to have the following as the gamete. The whole of this one is this, this one is this, this one is this, this one is this. We are crossing it with the homozygote, which is recessive. This one is this one is, this one is, this one that. So whenever you now want to cross them, the result of F1, which is first filial generation, is always heterozygote. And if it is heterozygote, you know, you pick this one, which is this one, then you cross it with second of it, which is this. You pick this one, which is this, then you cross it with second of it. So we are going to do that in 4 places. And that's why the F1 generation is this one, this one, this one in 4 places, which is heterozygote. And don't forget that if you want to get F2, I told you that second filial generation is the intercrossing between the first filial generation, the genotype of the first filial generation, which is this one. So, and that's why we call this. So when you now cross them together, this one is going to produce the following gametes. We are crossing it with the same thing will be repeated. So that at the end of the day, all these gametes will separate. It will separate. So the one that is responsible for tallness combined with that one that is responsible for roundedness, that is the shape. And don't forget that they exist in pairs. And that's why that during the process of gametogenesis, this is exactly what is going to be. That is, if this is not expressed, if this capital is not expressed, it means it's going to be small letter. If this capital letter is not expressed, it means it's going to be small letter. And you will do that in 4 places. So this will now be the set of the offspring for second filial generation that the second filial generation, we are going to the set of gametes, not offspring, the set of gametes that we are going to cross to obtain the second filial generation. And we are going to do that by the use of Punnett square. By the use of Punnett square. And don't forget that Punnett square, I told you that it is going to be 16 offspring because it is going to be 2 raised to power 4. So, and that's why all we are going to do is going to be like this. Okay, we need to actually create enough space for this table. So because we want to cross this, so let's try and do it this way. So you should find somewhere to take note of this combination and or what to call the possibility of vegetarian. So when you now have So you must be able to create enough space, because apart from the genotype, you still need to interpret your results. You need to interpret your results. This is very, very important in genetics. Very, very important in genetics. You need to know. So good. So this is going to be the gametes. I told you you should know that this is going to be male and female gametes. That is, and the set of gametes is going to be like this. Okay, and the last one is going to be like this. So the same set is what we are going to have in this vertical side as well. Okay, you have to be cognizant of this. Okay, so that by the time you cross this with this, you have this. Okay, when you cross this with this, you have this. Okay, when you cross this with this, you have this. When you cross this with this, you have this. Then this with this. This with this. This with this. This with this. Okay. So this. Okay. You have crossed this with this. This one with this. This one with this. This one with this. So just like I told you, you have to interpret. This is going to be tall, round, tall, round, also tall, round, tall, round. Okay, this is also going to be tall, round, tall, wrinkled. Okay, this is going to be tall, round. Okay, tall, round. The last one in that column is going to be tall, wrinkled. Tall, wrinkled. This column is going to be tall, round, also tall, round. This is going to be short, round. Okay, this is going to be short, round as well. Okay, so this one is going to be tall, round. This is going to be tall, wrinkled. Okay, this is short, round. Whereas this one is going to be short, wrinkled. Short, wrinkled. Okay, so when you count those ones that are tall, round, this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 tall, round, 5 tall, round, 6